Section 6.2 Interactive Assignment Objective 2. A binomial probability experiment is conducted with the given parameters. We're going to compute the probability of X successes in the n independent trials of the experiment, where n is equal to 10, the probability is equal to 0.35, and X is equal to 4. Okay, so here we have our values. So we're going to use the following. We're going to use the binomial probability formula, where we take the combination times the probability to the value of x times 1 minus the probability to the power of n minus x. So let's go ahead and substitute our given information. So we know that n is equal to 10. So therefore, everywhere we see n, we're going to substitute that to be the value of 10. So we can see here that there is 10 and then there's 10 as well. And then we also have the probability, which is 0.35. So we see that P is 0.35 and there is also 0.35. And then we need to find the value of x where it's equal to 4. So we know that x is equal to 4. So we know that the value of x is 4 here. The exponent here is 4. And then this becomes n minus x, which is 10 minus 4. Okay. So now what we're going to do first is, before we move any further, okay, we can go ahead and simplify this 1 minus 0.35. So when we do that, we get the combination of 10 combination 4 times 0.35 to the 4th power, and it becomes 1 minus 0.35, which is 0.65, and 10 minus 4 gives us to the 6th power. Okay, now what we're going to do is we need to figure out the combination of 10 combination 4. Now, since we've done this in the previous chapter, we can now use the calculator to find out what that result's going to be. So in order to find 10 combination 4, you're going to first put the number 10 down, and then we're going to go to math, and then we're going to scroll all the way to right where it says probability, and then we're going to scroll down the number 3, and then it says n combination r. So now we have 10 n combination r, so 10 has to be written first, and then we're going to put in the value of x, which is 4. And therefore we have 210. Okay, so now we have the value of the combination, which is 210, times 0.35 to the 4th power, times 0.65 to the 6th power. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to take 210, and then we're going to multiply that by 0.35 to the power of 4. And then we're going to multiply that by 0.65 to the power of 6. And then we get the following number. So let's go ahead and do that. So we get the following number, which is 2.376685. So here is our result. And now we're going to round this to 4 decimal places. So this 6 tells us that we need to round this number up to a 7. So therefore we get our answer as 0.2377. And let's take a look at our result here. Probability of 4 successes is 0.2377.